Oh my god. That's a lot. Don't be mean. They're super hungry. He got scared. He ran off. What spooked you, little guy? He doesn't like the camera flash. This one doesn't give a shit. It's hungry. He's a male. The other one is too young, I don't know. I used to have 4, but my female passed and I sold one of them. So yeah. These 2 are the only one left. The older one I had for a year now. So, and this little guy, I don't even remember. I rescued him. As you can see, his back is injured. Really badly. He used to be sick, he won't eat, he will always hide. He got real bad. After some time, he started eating, getting healthy, and yeah. He likes to stay with these kind more than fish. It's kind of weird because I thought he's gonna eat them, but he didn't give a crap. He's shedding right now. Even my man, I don't know why. Yeah. Say bye.